Good evening. I'm Sakuntala Ganesan, studying at University Pendidikan Sultan Idris, which located in Tanjung Malim, Perak. The purpose I do this video is for my design aesthetic subject, where I have to do a video regarding the topic I have learned in design aesthetic class. Today, I would like to talk and explain about the topic that I have learned in design aesthetic class, which is principle of pleasure in design. What is pleasure in design? The pleasure in design occurs when human beings achieve their aims by altering or changing subjective world. For example, achieve the unity by the matching the regularity of nature with individual objective. Now, I will explain about the principle of pleasure in design. There is 4 principles of pleasure in design which suggested by Hackett in 2006. The first one is maximum effect for minimum means. The second one is most advanced yet acceptable. Third, unity in variety. And the fourth is congruence. Today, I will explain you guys about the fourth principle of pleasure in design, which is basic definition of congruent is equal in size and shape. Two objects are congruent if they have the same dimension and shape. In element of geometry, the word congruent is often used as follows. The word equal is often used in place of congruent for this object. Two line segments are congruent if they have same length. Two angles are congruent if they have same measure. Two circles are congruent if they have same diameter. There is a bit different between congruent and similar. Congruent is equal in size and shape. For example, like this. This pen is same size and same shape. This is called as congruent. And similar is something that same shape but in different size. For example, like this. These pencils are in same shape but then in different size. This is called as similar. Pleasure in design. Congruent is the relationship between the various sensory impression and multimodality. Since each of the identification as survival value, we tend to prefer products that convey similar messages to all our senses. Consistency of impression will lead to elevated identification of accuracy. For example, the level of smell and taste component in food must match of an optimal pleasantness. The aspect of the product stimulate the various senses could be congruent on the theme or association conveyed and the level of individual effect they produce. Whereas attaching a particular theme of association to a sensory aspect is a non-aesthetic attribution process. Assessing whether these labels are congruent is regarded an aesthetic to the mind to see that the things match its displeasing when it finds out the labels are incongruent. In conclusion, congruency can be said as similarity. In every design or artwork, we must have this principle of pleasure in design to make sure the artwork is complete. So that's all from me about the principle of pleasure in design. We'll catch you guys after this in new topic and new environment. Thank you very much.